Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how we can use service bus topics using JMS and rules to its subscribers. As you see here, I'm using a service bus explorer which has two rules for each subscription. One is completed, which is based on status equal to shipped, and there is in progress where status equal to placed. And when I send messages based on the status, they will go to different subscribers. So let me run this application. When we go here, there are no messages here in the delivered. This is placed, and this is delivered orders. So there are no messages at all. Okay, let's see what is happening with this. Yeah, it looks like it is done. Okay, so let's do a bit of refresh. So we have a couple of messages here, and as you see here, it is still zero messages because I haven't refreshed it. Now when I refresh it, I could see two more messages here. Again, if we refresh this subscription, we should see a number. Okay, that's it. And that's because in our program, I'm doing a couple of orders as shipped and a couple of items as placed. That's why we got a count of four, two for placed and two for delivered.